yet. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. How's it going, YouTube? I thought I was recording just now on the drone, but I wasn't, so I had to bring it down, resync the audio, and now I'm flying back up here. I'm going to turn to my right, and here we got a water tower in Plant City, Florida. And I just wanted to do like a focus track. Let me see here. Okay. And we're on spotlight mode now. I'm going to see if it'll stay. And I'm watching the drone. I think I lost it here. Just doing an orbit around there, but I'll keep doing this orbit, then I'll back up. I see the drone. It looked close, but the drone is far away from this water tower. And I think I'm losing it. We'll see. Okay, no, it's still locked on. So I'm gonna back up just a little. Come down, back up. Let's see if I can go into the without stopping. There we go. I'm in a different camera. I gotta back up just a little more. Now, I think I still locked on, but we'll see. I think I'm still locked on here, so we'll do another orbit. Whoa, where am I going here? Hold on, subject lost. Let's go in cine mode here. And let's do this again. There we go. Now we'll go the opposite way. I'm still in spotlight mode. Maybe. It's not letting me go. Or at least the sticks are not moving. Okay, let's try this again. For some reason, it's not letting me go. That's why I want to come and practice on this stuff like this. And let's get out of that. I turn focus track off. I turn it back on. Focus track enable. And spotlight. Let's try it. What is going on here? Oh, there we go. It won't let me do it in cine mode for some reason. That's what that was about. Yeah, I was in cine mode and it wouldn't let me do an orbit. Not sure if that's a firmware update maybe, but that was the issue. And this community park, there's like 4 or 5 baseball fields out here. They got basketball courts. We'll fly over there once I have the drone back on my side. Where am I here? We're gonna stop right here and get out of that. Get out of focus track. And there I am, or my truck, and there I'm down here. You can see the blue landing pad. So let's go over here. Come on. Then we'll fly over here. Let's go in cine mode. Let me take my sunglasses off. I'm in the shade. Just need somewhere to prop up. And we'll go flying over this field here. Let's turn here. I'll go up just a little more. There's hardly no one out here, so don't think I'm disturbing anyone, but I see one guy out here kicking the soccer ball. I know I'm near Geo Zone. Tone twisted. We're moving a little now. And I'll just turn this way. And we can see the park a little more. What's that, 3 fields there? And there's some on the other side of the park here, or 4. And yeah, this is the main road here. So if we go over here, maybe that's not the main road. Let me see one more thing here. I know there's, like I said, basketball courts and stuff. Okay, I was going correctly. Here's the maintenance shed or operation, I guess. And we'll put the gimbal up. And here you'll see the baseball or basketball courts. There's like 3 of them. They have a skating area. Right here. I notice now there's a fence. It wasn't always fenced in here, so, but they put a fence around it. Okay, more basketball courts. Sometimes on the weekend, this thing is really congested out here. They have like 3 or 4 games going, baseball. And this is Park Road here. We won't go over there. Just come on back over here. We'll make a loop. Let me get up just a little more. I'm trying to think of anything else I could do with this focus track, but This water tower is about the most interesting thing out here, so. And let me start turning. Now we can fly over this look like a nice community here. Got a pool. Okay. And here's some more fields that I was stating earlier. We'll fly over this body of water. Hopefully I can sync all of this stuff up. I was taking a long time in the truck. I synced it in the truck, and I think the drone was getting overheated. Slow down, Larry. Slow down. And let's turn over here. And here's my location. 1 second here. We should fly over here. I'm going to put in sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Thank you. It's a little windy today, but it's not bad. No wind warnings yet. I see the drone and hear it. Not sure if the mic can pick it up. I was gonna bring the Air 3 out here, but I just love flying this mini drone. Drop it down just a little. I know this is I got you. This is I-4 here, and if I am correct, this building here, let me go back into normal mode, is a furniture store, and it is huge. I'll try and get you a look from the front. Can't go over the interstate. I've walked in here a few times, and at least 2 football field long, I think, or not longer, but get over just a little more. But yeah, this building is huge. I think it's 3 stories if I'm not mistaken, but I'll back it up a little. And there's a private airport right kind of close to it, so. But this building is huge. We'll fly over it, I guess. We can do that. And then I'll bring it home because I'm at 48% left battery-wise, and not sure if I was going with the wind here, but there's I-4. Okay, I'm going to turn around here. Start heading back. Can't find my home point, so.
Return to home.
Okay. Cancel that. Just getting into the direction. I didn't realize that furniture store was this close to this park. We'll start lowering a little. Anyway, I know I got to work on my on this focus track and some of the other functions of this drone, but the video probably didn't come out the way I wanted to, but not sure if I'll post it, but I'll definitely be back. And we're coming home. And what I should do, let's see if we get a precision landing.
Return to home.
And let me mute. There we go. And we'll sit here. I'll step back with the action camera. You should be able to see it landing. Almost there. It's coming down now. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna try and point the action camera up. I should have had my selfie stick in this case, but my chin, but there's the drone. Hopefully this is catching it, but let's see if it'll land. Oh, turn it around. There we go. There we go. Come on. It's gonna be off a little, I think. So I stopped it. It's gonna be off. And when I took off, I didn't take it up 20 feet like DJI states, but I just do it manually. Anyway, let me recover this drone and I'll see you guys on the next video.